Wait, does it have something that smells?
Yeah.
Oh, it's eating something.
What are we doing today?
Hi, my name's Tidepooling. We're going to collect a few sea anemones at the famous Eastport breakwater. Oh yeah, we're gonna grab a few blue mussels off the float. Look for some herring. We've got an aquarium looking for some live sardines. Little late season jellyfish. Oh, you know what? We needed some dulse. One red anemone, some mussels, a dulse, and a frilled anemone. Why didn't you tell me?
He doesn't even watch his own YouTube videos.
Oh, there's some hydrites, I think. Now, some pond scum. Oh, but there's some jellies. Comb jellies. Huh, I wonder why right here, just in this one little spot. Oh, this is the different species. I think these are the, like the Leides comb jelly. They're later in the season, maybe. Wow, they're just ripping through piles of them. I guess as the tide's coming in, this is like a natural funnel between that boat and this boat here, so the water's coming right onto the dock. The problem with these guys is they're really gelatinous and you can't much pick them up. Oh, those are the herring we were looking for. So I got a cast net here. I'm gonna see if we can catch some of these little herring. Circle. But see, the fish see it coming. They use these bait nets for catching bait, like down in Florida. What does it mean that we can't get some? No, that definitely did not work. See this kelp here? It's all frilled. There's a rib down the middle. It's called ore weed or edible kelp. It's malaria. The way the current is going, holding it out. That's edible kelp. May not be any dulse here. You want to see if we can find some lumpfish? Yeah. There's some mussels. We don't want the small ones, we just want the big ones. The bigger ones. All these little mussels, when I drop them to the bottom, the starfish can smell them and they just come along and eat them up. But here on the float, they're protected from the starfish. Each little clump of mussels is its own little community. You've got other clams living in there, you've got seaweeds, shrimp, worms. The further down I reach, the bigger they get. Look at those ones. There's barnacles living on the mussels. Look, here's a young piece of sugar kelp. Here's an Arctic borer clam, that little white clam. Anemones.
Here's a wild tidepooling.
The wild ecosystem. Watch this. Down the mussel goes, carrying its kelp like a kite. Davy Jones' locker.
Wow.
Yeah, they do. Look. No doubt. There's a spaghetti worm. Watch, I'm going to pull him out of the clump of mud. I'll put him in the water here in my hand. It's funny. So here's the spaghetti worm living in 30 feet of water near the surface, yet the majority of them are on the very bottom in a tube-shaped burrow. Okay, there he goes. I think we got 2 pounds yet. Yeah, definitely. I'll scrape off a frilled anemone with my fingernails. Can't help but get a few. Look at his tentacles sticking out. Actually, those aren't the tentacles, those are the stinging cells. They're called nematocysts.
They're stinging?
Yeah, that's how they trap and kill their prey, with these stinging cells. And they're in the group called the stinging cell animals. Okay, there's a couple of good ones. Ooh, there's some big fatties. We'll center the big ones and the small ones. Remember that these are in here. Okay, we just need a red anemone and some dulse. What is that? Let's pull up a big cluster of kelp and shake it out. You'll have to back up because it will be really muddy. And see if we find any baby lumpfish. Bring the kelp up. shake it. If there's any little lumpfish attached to it, it will fall off. It's not very good on a white t-shirt. I'll say that. Oh, we got a little sea squirt. A couple little isopods, but... Oh, look, we got a sandworm.
Baby.
Fish food. It's kind of gross this time of year because this is all like rotting seaweed and cigarette butts. Look, there's a jellyfish. You can get it. Dead jelly. I don't know if it's still alive or not. It's pretty putrid. Oh, this is interesting. There's a sea squirt down here. It has a couple of anemones living on the squirt. I don't know if you can see this, but pull the squirt up. See, there's 1, 2, 3 frilled anemones on the body of the sea squirt. See them? 1, 2, 3, 4, actually 5. Cool. It's on the very bottom of the float. Oh God, it's huge. Put my thumb went right in its mouth. Oh boy, look at this one. Ooh. Looks like a big boob. Wait, does it have something in its mouth?
Yeah.
Oh, it's eating something. What is it eating? Or scraped off the float. There's its base. Had something in its mouth, and we're gonna pull it out. It's like it's giving birth. Ooh, can anyone guess what it is? This is a first for me. Red anemones eat sea squirts. Oh, look at that. It's like pimple popper. Here it comes. Oh. And so this sea squirt, which is still alive, is being eaten by the northern red.
You should let him eat it.
Oh, sorry. The squirt's going on all expense paid trip to compliments of UPS overnight delivery.
Well, this guy's pretty lucky.
Yeah, he's lucky. Alright, that's all we need. Let's just run down here, see if we need some dulse, or pick out some dulse. Last thing, dulse. Okay. Maybe this thing. Well, look at the anemones.
Holy.
Down there. Okay, so we could not find any of this particular seaweed, this red dulse, at the other wharf, so we can come down to the other backside of Eastport and we're going to check the floats here.
I like your walk.
According to my experience, the dulse should be found right here. Ta-da!
Yeah.
You gotta be careful when you're trying to harvest dulse. You gotta sneak up really slowly. See this? Be very quiet. You reach down around the dulse before it suspects anything and you grab it and yank it. Wow, look at that.
Bada bing, bada boom.
Nice red seaweed mixed in with some baby kelps. A little bit of sea lettuce.
Nice.
Maybe we'll get one more clump. This one's older and bigger and prettier. Watch this. Look at that one. Once again attached to a mussel. Some little anemones on it. Well, that's pure dulse.
Beauty.
Okay, we're done. That was easy. Water in there.
Thanks for
Nothing to it. Thanks for watching. Share, like, and follow.